Good day, everyone. Today I will be presenting week 10, Supply Chain Management or SCM in Enterprise System. In this discussion, I will be explaining what SCM is, how it works inside the enterprise system, the different components involved, the technologies used, and the benefit and challenges companies face in managing their supply chain. The learning objectives of this subject is define CSM and integration with enterprise system, identify main SCM component and processes, explain technology's role in SCM visibility and efficiency, analyze SCM case studies for best practices and challenges, evaluate ERP and modules supporting SCM operation. So what is supply chain management? Coordination of goods, services, and information flow from raw materials to final customers. Ang supply chain is the process of yung coordination of goods, services, and information from raw materials to final customers. Mula raw sa raw materials papunta sa manufacturer, distributor, retailer, hanggang sa makarating sa final customers. Which is, in other words, is SEM manages everything from production to delivery. When integrated with enterprise system like ERP, CRM, BI, in SCM become more organized, accurate, and efficiency. The key goals of SCM is to reduce operation costs, which companies save more money through better planning and efficient logistic. Improve product quality and delivery time, ensuring that customer receive high quality product on time. Enhance customer satisfaction. Faster errors, faster service pala, and fewer fewer errors and better communication. Increase flexibility in responding to market changes. Company can quickly adjust when demand changes or supply problem arise. In short, SCM keeps the entire business running smoothly. SCM in the context of enterprise system. Enterprise system is acted as the digital backbone of the supply chain. Lahat ng department and process ay connected and share in real-time information. SCM is integrated with procurement, which is buying raw materials from suppliers. Production is creating or assembling product. Sales and distribution, delivering to customers. Logistic pala is for transporting and storing goods. Return and reverse logistic is for handling defective and or unused product. For the example, one of the example is smart phone manufacturer. Imagine smartphone manufacturer using ERP, BI, and SCM module. Yung ERP is to track the shipment of raw materials. Ang BI naman is to analyze demand or to predict how many units are needed or kung gaano ka-demand. SCM module is to plan the production, schedule, and delivery. Kapag integrated ang lahat ng mga yan is mas mabilis, mas accurate, at mas less error ang buong supply chain. And the core component of SCM is planning, demand forecasting, resource allocation. production scheduling. This is the start point. Point. Planning involved demand forecasting nga, yun. Forecasting, resourcing allocation, and production scheduling. Companies need to estimate future demand kapag mali ang forecasting. Sobrang inventory or wastage, kulang ang inventory or delays and lost sales. For resourcing naman is supply section, contracts and relationship. This is about choosing the right supplier for the best supplier for negotiating contracts and managing long-term supplier relationships. Good sourcing is to better quality, lower cost, and faster production. For manufacturing, um, production manage and quality control, equipment maintenance. It is include managing production process, um, ensuring the quality of the product, and manufacturing must be efficient and consistent para hindi ma-delay ang logistic. For delivery to logistic, warehouse management, transportation, route optimization. Ito ay yung pag-handle ng storage, inventory levels, and production locations. Transportation management system or TMS help plan delivery route, scheduling trucks, and truck shipment. Good logistic is means faster delivery, lower cost, and accurate tracking. And for the last is return management. This is the part of SCM that deals with product going to back to the company or customer's return. Includes repairing or replacement defective product. Recycling and waste management. A good returns process improves customer trust and reduce product waste. For the SCM technology tools in enterprise system is we have ERP SCM module to integrate supply chain data in one system. Everyone can see accurate updated data. For advanced planning and scheduling, to optimize resourcing and improve better production schedules. RFID and IoT for real-time tracking. These technologies allow real-time tracking for item. Makikita agad kung saan ang product, warehouse, or truck, or store. For warehouse management system is automate warehouse operation, inventory scanning, location tracking, and stock movement. For transportation management system is to help companies find the fastest, cheapest, and delivery routes. For blockchains, for product authenticity and security, it makes transactions secure and ensure the authenticity of products. It used in the industry like pharmaceuticals and luxury goods. Technology makes the supply chain faster, more visibility, and more reliable. For the next topic is the SCM process flow in an enterprise system. Let's look at the overall flow. Number one, customer order received, demand plan, forecasting and planning, procurement of materials, production and assembly, quality control, packaging and warehousing, transportation and delivery, customers feedback and returns. At the every stage, real-time data is collected. This company helps make me better and faster decision. Benefit of SCM integration with enterprise system is um, number one is end-to-end visibility and makikita ang movement ng product at data from start to finish. Efficiency gains through automation. Automation reduce manual works or human errors. For cost saving on procurement and logistics, less waste, improve logistics, and better procurement decisions. Improve forecasting accuracy is for business and BI or business intelligence tools helps predict customers' demand and more accurately. Uh, for better for better customer service and faster problem resolution is for faster delivery, customer satisfaction, and quick issue resolution. And for the trust and loyalty of the customers. And the challenges naman in SCM implementation is the high setup cost, technology system like ERP and SCM require high initial investment. For data accuracy naman is if suppliers or partners don't update their data, um, mistake can occur. For global risk naman, like political and natural disaster is this can interrupt operations. For resistant to change is some employees or partners may struggling adapting new technologies. For cybersecurity is security risk is for um, supply chain can share sensitive data, making them vulnerable to cyber attacks. Company needs a good strategy to manage this risk. Where our SCM trends in modern enterprise is the green supply chains for sustainability is company are shifting to um environment or friendly operation like renewable energy, reducing carbon footprint, and using recyclable materials. For AI-driven demand forecasting naman is to AI tools, analyze trend to predict demand more accurately. Last mile delivery innovation like drone, autonomous vehicles is uh, smart lockers, mga ganun. On-demand manufacturing naman is products are made only when needed or reducing waste and storage costs. For collaborating supply chains with shared data is when partners share real-time data to boost coordination and efficiency. These trends make supply chains smarter or greener and more customer-oriented. So, for supply chain management naman um is the one of the most important function in modern business is to ensure that product move efficiently from supplier to customers guided by accurate data and powerful technologies. With enterprise system, SCM or supply chain management is become faster, more reliable, and more cost effective, and more customer focused. As the company adopt new technologies like AI, IoT, and blockchain or supply chain will continue to evolve, becoming even more advanced and efficient. Thank you for listening for this topic.